Justice Manish Pitale of the Bombay High Court at Goa has today started hearing arguments on the 2008 infamous Panjim police station attack case. This case was stalled for the last 7 years. In fact, the Supreme Court has time and again said that cases against politicians had to be expedited. But it is an irony that this case has been stalled, in fact kept in cold storage for 7 long years. That's the reason I had to file a letter petition before the Honorable High Court, and I had to also draw the attention of the Honorable Supreme Court to this tragedy, that such a serious offence, because the attack on the Panjim police station is a crime against the state, and it is unacceptable that the trial has been stalled for 7 years. Now the court today has started hearing the arguments and will continue the arguments on Monday the 29th at 2:30. In fact, I have in my letter petition pointed out to the Honorable High Court that this case is a clear fraud on the judiciary, because in 2012 the division bench of the Bombay High Court had dismissed the petition filed by the Munsurats, which had tried to wind up the proceedings. Despite that, the applicants went again before the single judge of the Bombay High Court in 2014 by suppressing that order of dismissal of 2012 and managed to get a stay which has continued in operation illegally for the last 7 years. Because the Honorable Supreme Court has made it very clear that any stay by the High Court is valid only for 6 months, and it ends at the end of 6 months if that stay is not extended officially. So for the last 7 years there has been no extension in this stay, and this stay has conveniently continued. In fact, the Supreme Court is very concerned about the criminalization of politics, and that such people who are lawbreakers continue to be lawmakers. So that is the irony, but I'm sure justice will prevail. The Honorable High Court will hear all the arguments and hopefully decide on this matter soon, because the trial has to start. The trial of, because Babush Munsurat and his wife Jennifer Munsurat are the main accused in this case, and the evidence against them is abundant.
In this Panjim police station attack case, whom you are representing mainly, and what is your stand in this matter?
I am representing in all about 28 accused, which includes Jennifer Monserrat, Daya Karapurkar, Uday Madkekar, Tony Rodriguez, and various other persons. Now, the matter is part heard before the court, so I will not want to express anything on the merits, despite whatever people may be saying. But it is important to know is that Babush has decided not to challenge the framing of charge. He feels he has not done anything wrong, and therefore will want to stand the trial, and therefore he is not before the court. As far as the persons whom I appear, my case is simple, that it's the case of the prosecution itself, that the procession or the morcha was very peaceful in the beginning, and it suddenly turned out to be violent. So our case is that if you have established my presence when it has turned violent, then perhaps it is incriminating. But if I was there in a peaceful morcha, then it cannot incriminate me at all. Now this is an issue for the court to decide, so I don't want to discuss this.
Sir, your application was filed in 2014. What would you say about delay of 7 years?
As far as delay is concerned, one thing you should please remember is that 2 years have gone in COVID, so that reduced it by 5. Now for the entire of Goa, we have only one court which is looking into all this litigation, and somehow the Goans have become a very sue-happy society. So for every small reason they approach the courts, and on account of the burden that the courts are facing, there is bound to be some delay. It's not as if the matter had come up and adjourned by anybody. It is just that it did not reach. And then we also had an instance where the learned PP was having some serious health issues, so therefore it could not come up for quite some time.
Thank you, sir.